What does TCP stand for in the TCP/IP protocol suite? A. Transmission Control Protocol. B. Internet Control Protocol. C. Total Communication Protocol. D. Text Communication Protocol. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, which is a fundamental protocol for reliable data transmission in TCP/IP networks. In the TCP/IP model, which layer is responsible for addressing and routing packets of data so that they can travel across networks and arrive at the correct destination? A. Network layer. B. Transport layer. C. Data link layer. D. Application layer. The network layer in the TCP/IP model is responsible for addressing and routing data packets across networks to the correct destination. Which protocol is used to assign IP addresses to devices on a network and is often integrated with network routers? A. HTTP. B. DHCP. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. C. SMTP. D. FTP. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is used to assign IP addresses to devices on a network, simplifying network configuration. What is the primary function of the IP Internet Protocol in the TCP/IP protocol suite? A. Email communication. B. Data encryption. C. Routing and addressing. D. Web page rendering. The IP Internet Protocol in the TCP/IP suite is primarily responsible for routing and addressing data packets across networks. Which protocol is commonly used for transferring web pages from web service to web browser, allowing users to access websites? A. POP3. B. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. C. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. D. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is used for transferring web pages from web service to web browser, enabling website access. What is the primary role of the DNS, Domain Name System, in network communication? A. Data encryption. B. Resolving domain names. C. Data compression. D. Ensuring network security. The DNS, Domain Name System, resolves human-readable domain names to IP addresses, facilitating web browsing and network communication. What is the function of ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, in the TCP/IP suite? A. To encrypt data. B. To manage network devices. C. To provide diagnostic information. D. To secure web pages. ICMP is used for providing diagnostic information and error reporting in network communication, including ping and traceroute. What does the TCP/IP model stand for in the context of network protocols? A. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. B. Total Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. C. Technical Communication Protocol, Internet Protocol. D. Text Communication Protocol, Internet Protocol. The TCP/IP model stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, representing the core protocols of the Internet. In the TCP/IP model, which layer is responsible for managing logical addressing and routing, as well as providing error detection and correction? A. Data link layer. B. Network layer. C. Transport layer. D. Presentation layer. The network layer in the TCP/IP model manages logical addressing, routing, error detection, and correction for network communication. What is the primary purpose of the DNS, domain name system, in network communication? A. Data encryption. B. Resolving domain names. C. Data compression. D. Ensuring data confidentiality. The DNS, domain name system, primarily resolves domain names to IP addresses, enabling user-friendly web browsing and network communication. Which protocol is commonly used for secure file transfers and remote administration of network devices, such as servers and routers? A. HTTP. B. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. C. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. D. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, is used for remote administration and monitoring of network devices and services. What is the primary function of ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, in the TCP/IP suite? A. Data encryption. B. Network performance management. C. Diagnostic and error reporting. D. Ensuring secure data transfer. ICMP provides diagnostic and error reporting capabilities, allowing network administrators to troubleshoot issues and assess network performance. What is the primary role of the transport layer in the TCP/IP model? A. Packet forwarding. B. Logical addressing. C. End-to-end communication. D. Error correction. The transport layer in the TCP/IP model is responsible for end-to-end communication and ensures data reliability through error correction. Which protocol is often used for the secure remote login to network devices and servers, providing authentication and encryption? A. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. B. SSH, Secure Shell. C. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. D. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. SSH, Secure Shell, is used for secure remote login to network devices and servers, offering authentication and encryption. What is the main function of the ARP Address Resolution Protocol in network communication? A. Data encryption. B. Mapping IP addresses to MAC addresses. C. Network routing. D. Quality of service. Pause. ARP is used to map IP addresses to MAC addresses, ensuring that data is sent to the correct destination on a local network. In the context of network protocols, what does MTU stand for? A. Maximum Transfer Unit. B. Multi-threaded utility. C. Message Transport Unit. D. Maximum Timeout Update. MTU stands for Maximum Transfer Unit, which specifies the largest data packet size that can be transmitted over a network. Which protocol is used for real-time communication, such as video conferencing and voice over IP (VoIP) calls, and is designed for low latency and efficient transmission? A. HTTP. B. FTP. File Transfer Protocol. C. RTP. Real-Time Transport Protocol. D. ICMP. Internet Control Message Protocol. RTP, Real-Time Transport Protocol, is used for real-time communication and is optimized for low latency, efficient data transmission. Which layer of the OSI model is equivalent to the transport layer in the TCP/IP model? And what are their primary functions? A. OSI Layer 3. Network layer, responsible for logical addressing and routing. B. OSI Layer 4. Transport layer, responsible for end-to-end communication and error control. C. OSI Layer 2. Data link layer, responsible for data segmentation. D. OSI Layer 7. Application layer, responsible for application interfaces. The transport layer in the TCP/IP model is equivalent to OSI Layer 4 and is responsible for end-to-end communication and error control. What is the purpose of the IPsec, Internet Protocol Security, protocol suite in network communication? And which security aspects does it address? A. IPsec is used for data compression and encryption. B. IPsec provides security for data confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. C. IPsec manages IP addressing and routing. D. IPsec improves network performance. IPsec is used to provide security in network communication by addressing data confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. What is the primary function of the GRE, Generic Routing Encapsulation, protocol, and in which scenarios is it commonly used? A. GRE is used for network device management. B. GRE encapsulates a wide variety of network layer protocols for secure transmission. C. GRE manages logical addressing in networks. D. GRE is designed for web page rendering. The GRE protocol is primarily used to encapsulate a wide variety of network layer protocols for secure and efficient transmission, commonly used in VPNs and tunneling. Which protocol is responsible for ensuring the secure delivery of email messages between email clients and servers, supporting features like encryption and authentication? A. HTTP. B. POP3. Post Office Protocol. C. SMTP. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. D. FTP. File Transfer Protocol. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is responsible for secure email message delivery, supporting encryption and authentication to protect email communication. In network communication, what is the primary role of the DHCPv6? Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol for IPv6. A. Encrypt network data. B. Assign and manage IPv6 addresses. C. Route data packets. D. Manage domain name resolution. DHCPv6 is used to assign and manage IPv6 addresses for devices on a network, simplifying IPv6 network configuration. What is the key difference between TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP, User Datagram Protocol, in the TCP/IP suite? And in which scenarios is each protocol preferred? A. TCP is connectionless, while UDP is connection-oriented. B. TCP provides error checking and sequencing, while UDP offers lower latency. C. TCP is best for real-time applications, while UDP is ideal for reliable data transfer. D. TCP is used in video streaming, while UDP is used in web browsing. The key difference is that TCP provides error checking and sequencing, while UDP offers lower latency. TCP is preferred for reliable data transfer, and UDP is used in scenarios where speed is crucial, such as streaming and gaming. What is the purpose of the BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, in large-scale networks? And how does it differ from interior gateway protocols, IGPs? A. BGP is used for interior routing, while IGPs are used for exterior routing. B. BGP is used for routing within an autonomous system, AS, and IGPs are used for routing between us. C. BGP is ideal for small networks, while IGPs are suitable for large-scale networks. D. BGP and IGPs serve the same function in network routing. BGP is used for routing between autonomous systems, AS, while IGPs handle routing within a single AS. BGP is designed for large-scale networks and inter-domain routing. What is the function of the SSL, TLS? Secure Sockets Layer, Transport Layer Security protocols in network communication, and in which scenarios are they commonly used? A. SSL, TLS is used for Voice over IP, VoIP, traffic. B. SSL, TLS provides secure web browsing and email communication. C. SSL, TLS optimizes network performance. D. SSL, TLS manages network devices. SSL, TLS protocols provide secure communication, commonly used in web browsing, HTTPS, and email. SMTP over TLS, SSL. To encrypt data and authenticate parties. What is the purpose of the STP spanning tree protocol in Ethernet networks, and how does it prevent network loops? A. STP improves network speed. B. STP optimizes network routing. C. STP ensures network redundancy and prevents loops. D. STP is used for wireless networks. STP prevents network loops in Ethernet networks by selecting a loop-free path and blocking redundant links to maintain network redundancy without causing loops. In the context of network security, what is the role of the IPsec, Internet Protocol Security, protocol suite, and how does it protect data in transit? A. IPsec secures network devices. B. IPsec protects data at rest. C. IPsec encrypts and authenticates data in transit. D. IPsec enhances network performance. IPsec encrypts and authenticates data in transit, ensuring data confidentiality and integrity between network devices, such as VPNs and secure communications.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.